Hi everyone, welcome to the channel where it's all about nursing, travel and lifestyle. I do hope you will enjoy the video that you're about to watch. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright, so I went home for Christmas Eve and we had a social event at church. On Saturday evenings after sunset, sometimes we will have like social events where different persons of the church or community is also invited. They will come in and participate in different activities. As you can see, it's a cheer relay game where you have two sides. There's a bottle at the top of the line on each side that is for each team, and the goal is to run off, grab that bottle, run in a circle down in the middle, around, and then you replace a bottle at the top of the line. By the time you get back to your seat and sit, that's when the next person is supposed to actually get up, run and grab that bottle, and we'll do the same cycle. In this group, it is like a mixture of both male, female, children, boys, girls, as you can see, adults. It's just something that is fun that we all enjoy. To your right, at the end of the line, that's my mom, and then to the left, that's me. And you'll just see how we go about doing this. My mom actually loves this kind of game because back in the day she used to be like the champion girl for her school, and so this is something that she looks forward to. As you can see, there's someone held on to the bottle because there was some form of cheating initially by one of the team member who got up before time, and so that's how I ended up winning this game, because they held on to her bottle to stall the team a little bit, so the other side can actually catch up, and that's the end of the first match. Now we're on to the second game, and if you continue watching, just keep an eye on the young man in the pink, because that's where the laughter of the entire night was. Alright, and as you can see, those two, they did a good job, and that's me on the left competing with another young lady. Alright, got up a little bit early, but nevertheless it's all about the fun. You know, we're getting our exercises in. You know, it's the end of the year, so guess what, we're trying to drop some weight, burn some calories here. That's my mom in the jeans running off, and that's her going around. Okay, all right, these two young men in the back, as well as the pink, I tell you, they're so fast. We were playing another game earlier, and I tell you, we couldn't keep up with them playing catch. They are so quick. Yes, so as I say, keep an eye on the young man in the pink, and there he goes, falling. And so our side ended up winning this section of the game. And then he slides again because he's running in his church shoe, which is very slippery. So try not to be running or playing games in your slippery shoes because accident can happen. Alright, so now he decided to take off his shoes, so we'll see what happens next, if things are a little bit better or not. That's his sister to the right running, and she's very fast as well. Okay, alright. Okay, that's busy running there. Alright, as I said, the young man on the left, he is very fast. Just watch these guys. And there we go. Okay, now he's out of his shoe. The young man in the right is so yeah, you just have to be careful when you play this game because you'll be running and you'll be slipping and falling. But that was fun. We had a good laugh in these two games. All right, and then this is the final game where it's the male against female, and so we have the elder at the front of the male team. He's one of the head elders at our church, and we have another sister of ours on the right. So we'll see who takes away the trophy for this side for this year. I remember years ago when we had a lot of adults, young adults, at our church. Some were in college, you know, starting college, and we used to play this game. And I tell you, all these chairs will be going left and right because the guys were so strong. By the time they're supposed to be coming around the back, the person at the back has to be very thick or strong, because when you hold on to that chair to give you a little bit of a push to go around, usually it literally either pulls the person to the floor or to the chair, or the chair just keeps spinning, because those guys are very powerful. And we used to enjoy that kind of activity because I tell you, there was so much competition in the game. Persons were looking forward, and you'll have this game going from like say 7, 8 o'clock in the evening until midnight, 1 o'clock. So it was just something that we enjoyed years ago. And as you can see, this time the female won, so we took away the trophy. Not really a physical trophy, but we took away the trophy for the night. I want to say a big thank you for tuning in and watching that video just now. So at this time, I'm going to have you go ahead, like, share, subscribe, turn that notification bell on, so that way you can be alerted of my newly released video. And if you've already done all of that, leave your views below. Tell me how I'm doing, so that way we can actually continue to provide an environment that is educational, fun, and informative. I hope that you will click on the next video as I continue to post, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.